Today, I am going to tell you how to reduce spice in the white sauce pasta. I'll give you a few tips here. Listen to all the tips carefully. In case you have any more doubts, leave them in the comment section below because we make sure that we answer to each and every question of yours. Let's begin. Number 1, when the spice levels increases in the pasta, you can adjust by adding dairy products like full cream milk, plain milk, or Greek yogurt or full cream. All this and even cheese also. You can mix it well and then cook it on slow fire. After some time, you'll find that the spice levels are adjusted nicely. Second, you can add some acid agents like lemon juice or vinegar. But here, we have to be really careful because the quantity we add should be very appropriate. And then it should be added and cooked on slow fire because by increasing the quantity and the flame, what happens is the white sauce get curdled sometimes and the texture gets disturbed. So by adding a splash of vinegar, a teaspoon, you can just add and cook it on slow fire. This also reduces the spice levels in the white sauce pasta prepared. Third, you can dip some good quality bread in water, squeeze it well, mash it, and then you can try adding this to the pasta and cooking it. This also helps very much to reduce the spice levels. Thank you.